So in today's session, I was running, and so we're going to talk about gas exchange and the pulmonary system during exercise. And so when I start exercising, or when anyone starts exercising, your muscles are going to demand more oxygen, and they're going to produce more carbon dioxide. And so that pulmonary system shifts gears to meet that demands. Gas exchange becomes faster, more efficient, and more tightly regulated. So, at rest, you use a small fraction of your lung capacity, but during exercise, oxygen delivery can increase 10 to 20 times. That means you need to bring in more air, pull more oxygen into the bloodstream, and get rid of CO2 as fast as you're producing it. That's why you start breathing much heavier during a run or some kind of workout. So that's the first major change, being ventilation. You breathe deeper, that increases tidal volume. Then you breathe faster, that increases respiratory rate. Together, this massively increases the amount of air reaching the alveoli. This matters because gas exchange only happens in the alveoli. So the more alveolar ventilation you get, the more oxygen you can load into the blood. Once air reaches the alveoli, oxygen moves into the blood and CO2 moves out. During exercise, this diffusion process gets enhanced. Here's how. Blood flows faster, but pulmonary capillaries open more fully, so red blood cells can still spend enough time in the alveoli to fully load oxygen. You recruit more alveoli, and the pressure gradient increases. Muscles use more oxygen, so blood returning to the lungs has lower oxygen and higher CO2. This makes gases move across the membrane faster. So even though everything speeds up, oxygen loading still stays extremely efficient.